And I guess the first I'll just read his name.
Yeah.
Are you taping right now? Okay. David Kiesling, Kiesling, Director, Customer Solutions and Sales Operations, RFS, or Radio Frequency Systems. All right. Hi,
Good.
David. This is Lindsay Franklin
Hi,
with
Lindsay.
RCR Wireless News. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about what you're going to be showcasing today at CTIA.
Well, so this show is all about the prep for LTE and connectivity solutions for that. So, behind me here we have our HyberFlex solution that we use for connecting up radio heads at the top of the tower and so forth that everyone's using for rolling out LTE at all these different frequency bands that we have here in the U.S. So we've been involved in that for a few years here. It's matured, I would say, and I think we're seeing like the next generation of products that are really there to help these guys get out there, get their systems out in a quality, fast way. And so we're showing that kind of next generation stuff that shows improved connectors, improved rollout speeds, things that are going to help the installers get it up fast. So those are the things that we're doing right now.
Tell me more about the trends in the industry that you are going to be expecting to see at the show, and kind of what's the buzz right now?
So it's about LTE refarming in the higher bands, taking advantage of, say, PCS and saying, let's put a channel of LTE up at PCS. How are we going to technically do that? I mean, we get into some of the rocket science stuff. I wouldn't say it's the really difficult things, but stuff I don't fully understand. But we have some products there to help reuse spectrum and so forth. I think there's going to be a lot of discussion about that since LTE is really starting to deliver the savings and the performance that everyone was expecting, so they want to get there faster. So how can we help people do that? As we were talking just a minute ago, the whole HetNet idea, I think on the software side and the management of it, not necessarily for us, but to talk about how fast that's really going to happen, I think is going to be an interesting topic because HetNets are complicated. And so how do you manage all these different things? Until you get that solution taken care of, you're not going to get to the physical stuff that we provide. So are we there yet? I think we are. So then kind of what's our place in that? So I think that's probably the other big thing that we're looking at.
Tell me a little bit more about what makes RFS unique.
Let's see, I think we are a product company, and I think we know our place and we know how to get good quality product that meets the need. And I know that sounds very simple and kind of, it's not the rocket science that I mentioned a second ago, but we know who we are and we listen, and when you tell us what you need, we put the engineering army behind it and we deliver a product that's going to work for a long time, and that's what we try to do.
Great. Well, thanks so much for your time, and have a great show.
All right, thank you.